Hi friends, if you are in plan for making a website like YellowPages or Yelp, I mean a website for online directory, this video is exactly for you. I have a great WordPress theme called ListingPro in this video, and we are going to install the ListingPro WordPress theme and preview the theme options along with the demo content and customization options of ListingPro WordPress theme in this video. And you have a reason to watch this video until end, and you never know what features you are going to get in the theme before you make a decision to buy it. So you should know all the features of theme which you are deciding for your website. And the ListingPro has three demo website: classic, multi-purpose directory, places, multi-purpose travel directory, and multi-purpose food directory. So I'll show you. This is the places, and it has got a wonderful look, of course. So it has all the features like directory website, and the home page is really awesome. And this is another demo website, and it has also got a very wonderful and professional look in itself. And this is the restaurant demo, and okay, fine. So it is really good, and all the features are working fine as I seen on the demo website. So okay, good. So listing should be here so that it may be displayed. Okay, so we are going to install this ListingPro, and the ListingPro WordPress Directory theme has been developed by the Credio Studio, and they are Power Elite authors, and they really make wonderful WordPress themes. And the theme was developed in 2017, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done, and it has got a good number of sales during this period. So we can consider this theme as most stable theme in this category, and I am happy to record this video. It is going to be 10th video in the directory WordPress theme. So other 9 is also available on this channel only, so you can choose any for your website project, and this is a good one. This is why think directory, think ListingPro, it is said. And you can see the features as well. So it is data driven, and the search is awesome, filter is very good, plans is also good, forms are fine, ratings is good. Okay, fine. So it has all the features, and I have a fresh installation for WordPress for installing this ListingPro, and I got the theme pack as well. And the theme pack, I have bulk importer add-on, okay, and child theme, licensing, documentation, the ListingPro main theme file, and the child theme file, live demo content. Okay, so let us begin the installation. For this we have to go in the theme section of WordPress, and click on add new, upload theme, choose file. Here you need to choose the ListingPro.zip file, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same and the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I will be able to show you the theme file size in fact. And okay, so the theme file size is bit high as it brings multiple features with it, and it is having 28.63 MB in size. On an average, I have seen the theme file remains 15 to 20 MB, and it is fine. It is working fine, good. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. and the extraction outcome is this ListingPro, in which we got all the theme components. So I believe it has not been done clearly, so I will try again. Extract it. Okay, fine. So extraction is fine, and we got this folder ListingPro, in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one, as we have already extracted the elements from it, and now we are fine to go in the theme sections again. And we have now ListingPro as another theme option. This is version 2.6.5. This ListingPro is a complete solution for any type of directory and listing theme. Okay, so we can activate it now. And activation. Upon activation, we got on easy setup page, that is setup wizard page, and we have to click here only. The rest will be done by the system itself, and I'm just starting. So it is saying that we need to choose, either we need to choose Elementor or Bakery. I am choosing Elementor, so that is new one. And plugins, let us first to help you: Elementor, ListingPro ads, and all plugins. So stay tight while we install necessary tools. Okay, so I am ready, and all the plugins are being installed which are required for running this theme. Elementor, ListingPro ads, ListingPro plugins, ListingPro reviews, next, and social login and register, and the Redux framework. I must tell you, so with Elementor page builder, Redux frameworks really works very fine, and it is a very good technical combination of page builder and the framework. So this combination always brings wonderful website, and it is going to be advantage for you that these are available. And now we have to choose the theme, I mean the demo website which we want, and we have all three options. I am choosing the classic one, and you can choose any of three as per your need and choice. And I have chosen the classic, and it is being are you ready to import the dummy content? Yes, I'm ready. And now it is processing, so it may take some time because it connects to the developer server, and it also downloads the media file. So we have to be here without refreshing or leaving this page until it gets complete, and the screen is saying everything. And okay, so mission accomplished, it is good. Okay, we are fine, and I'll also show you the theme options. Meanwhile, we will take a look of our website, and I am also returning to dashboard since we have completed the installation process and demo import process. And yes, it is good. We got a wonderful website. Our directory website is here with all the features, and it is really awesome that we got all the components, in fact. So it is good that we got all the components in the demo content, and everything is working fine. Some images has not been provided, and after all we have to use our own images, it doesn't matter for us. So placeholder images with size has been given to help us, and everything is fine. Now I'll show you the theme options what we got additional in the installation. And this is ListingPro CC, and it is dashboard, and okay, fine. So something good is here. Add-ons, visualizer, license, submit form, multi-rating, and this is listings. So I'll show you the listings. Okay, so these are the listings. I'll show you one of the listing. What fields are available in the listing? However, fields are customizable, so everything is up to you what you want to show or what fields you want to showcase. So this is the fields, these are the fields: Google address, longitude, latitude, and social profiles. Rest of things are here. So there are many things, I cannot cover all such things in the demo video, so I am returning back. Listing, add new categories, feature, tag, location, form fields, pricing plans, ads, events, subscription, listing flags, invoices, reviews, claims, and yes, it is really broad things about listing. Elementor is by default is here, and rest of things are here. And now I'll show you the broad theme options. In fact, and these are the theme options in ListingPro WordPress theme, and to control the website, in fact. So these are the general options. User dashboard, okay, got, and the multiple settings are here. So user dashboards gives the all the areas which we want to display, and typography, header itself. So there are many headers selection, so and controls are here. So page, home page, logo, and all such things are here. So most of customizations can be done through this panel only. Banner, okay, so it is also good. The basic customization and banners are available here. You can choose any for your website, and good. So no need to edit the page. In fact, all things has been given in the back end. And Google Map, API key, blog, listings. So listing settings are here. These are general, listing details, archive view, listing submit and edit, location, reviews, lead forms, listing claim, listing nearby, Google AdSense. Okay, good. So author archive, my listing, about me, photos, contacts, and counters. Pricing plans has been given, advanced filters, search, payment. Okay, payment is also important factor. So we can currency for paid. So let us check whether INR is, yes, INR is also available. That is good and fine. So all things are has here. PayPal and a Stripe gateway, and the direct payment, wire payment is also available. Email management, and privacy, invoice, ads, form recaptcha, URL config, contact page, footer. So all the websites can be handled through this theme option page itself, and no need to go on the page for editing the elements. All can be handled from here. So your complete website is in your control, and you can create a wonderful directory and listing website using this theme, and you have all the features available in this theme. So it is good, of course, and we got a wonderful website using the ListingPro WordPress theme. And I believe you may have some questions regarding this theme, so feel free to write in the comment section of this video, and I am also adding the link of my website where you can get one-to-one interaction with me to get answer on the query. And okay, so I am getting appreciation, so I believe you also like this video and already subscribed this channel. So I am going to bring wonderful themes, plugins, and utilities for you. Thanks for watching.